Hello, welcome back to win CompXM 2024-2025, the top 10 win tips to win the top result. Like you see on the screen, right? The right strategy, you get the top result much higher than own competitors, the stop price and also the final result here, right? And more than 900 out of 1,000, right? And I show you tip number 1, tip number 2, tip number 3, number 4 already, right? Check industry condition report, check the Korea report, update INT, and set decision for marketing, promotion, and sales forecast calculation. And now tip number 5, production schedule by new capacity, update automation. We set the production schedule, we buy now new capacity and update automation. I show. So we are going to set decision for production here. Right? For production, we have calculated the sales forecast and production here, so we just input that into the game, right? So sales forecast here, inventory is here, so production here, right? 841 is simple, right? And 842. So remember, do not ever copy this number and put into the game, because the number from student to student different. CompXM is an exam. I show you the strategy how to do it, and then you can apply with your game, right? Most of the strategy stay the same, but the number will be different. So this is a trip and core and nano elite. Trip has the highest automation because of the cheapest one, so also capacity, right? And you see the nano and elite more expensive and less capacity, right? Here we see that 4 and 4, 6 and 5, right? And also capacity, trip more, core more, but nano and elite less. We check the budget here, we use all the budgets, that's optimal, right? So that's a winning tip. That's winning tip number 5. Check the production schedule by the new capacity and update automation, right? Update automation by the new capacity. And winning tip number 6, HR and finance 5,080 hours. I show you now. So for HR here, human resource management, we use a max spending for recruitment is 5,000. Max training for hour is 80 hours, right? 80 hours. 80 hours for training here, 80 hours. So we put here 5,080 hours to get the best workforce to compete better. Okay. And now we move to the next decision. That the next tip is for winning tip. Next is finance. Use the 3 sources of funds. Use the 3 sources of fund in early rounds and pay dividend and retire long term in later rounds. We have 4 rounds. I show you detail now. So 4 rounds. So we have finance here. We use all the 3 sources of fund in early rounds. Pay some dividends here, and in early round we have enough funds for production expansion, right? And we can set 46 days to give customer long-term a payment, right? So again, issue the stock here, borrow max current debt, right? And also pay some very small dividend in early rounds, and issue long-term debt. You get enough cash here. We keep enough 60,000, 60 million. And for the TQM, it's quite simple. We just put 1,000 for the moment, right? See, and that's a winning tip number 7. We check winning tip number 8. Use TQM 1,000 for each of the 10 initiative I just showed you, right? And INT most important because price and production, HR, finance, TQM, Korea report. We need to treat each round to complete the quizzes, right? Treat each round to complete the quiz. So that's the winning tip for round 1 INT. I show you winning tip for round 1 marketing. I also show you for the production and HR. We will review one time more before we move to round 2, right? So I show you again. So we start again here with INT, right? INT, we have use the industry condition report here, use Excel here. If you Excel file here to calculate INT for 8 round. If you have any questions, send me the email, right? If you have any questions, send me the email to mbacim.faris@gmail.com or get the free support for round 1 and quiz 1, right? So remember to do that. And now we check we add 4 new product here. We update the product by the Excel file here. And remember, do not ever copy the number. The number you need to get from here for your game. And then for your game from industry condition report here, table 2, and put that into the Excel file. Put into this part of the Excel file and then calculate automatically for you to use, right? If you are not sure, send me the email. IND most important thing. And then marketing. For marketing here, we set the price based on the report for 4 segments here: trip, core, nano, elite. we find out the price 22, 28, 38 and 42 the most optimal, and then spending for that promotion and sale and calculate the sale forecast. A little bit more time consuming, right? Sale forecast is in this part of the report, right? You see in this part of the report you see the unit we sold and the inventory, so we can do that. And then we set for the production sale forecast here, deduct inventory, so here we have the production schedule, and then treat here, right? Core, nano, elite. This order may change from student to student, so need to identify which one is the treat, the highest automation, right? And then we buy more capacity for the new product, set automation for the new product, check the budget we use all. And then we have the human resource 5080 hour, and then finance, very simple, use the max stock issue, max current dash here, and max long-term dash here, and increase automation account receivable to 46 days. For TQM you set 1000 for the more, so it's quite simple. We check the pro forma income, check the pro forma income, we have very high sales here, very good contribution margin, we are spending very strong on promotion and sale, but we still get good profit for round 1 and round 2. If you have the right strategy, you will see the results like this, going down a little bit in round 1 and 2 and up a lot in round 3 and 4, get the top sale and top profit, top stock price, and also the top result. If you have any questions, send the email to mbasim.felix@gmail.com or get the free support for round 1 and quiz run. Thank you for watching, good luck and success. Check the other video for guide for round 2, round 3 and round 4.